this is Minimymo, and I'm here to say I'm going to be doing a DIY today. For today's DIY, we are going to learn how to fix a hangnail. You're going to need nail polish remover, if you have any polish on you, tiny scissors, preferably sewing scissors, some dryer sheets, forgot the name, nail clippers with a file, and your choice of nail polish. You don't have to paint your nails, but still, and clear coat. This one you definitely need. So we figured out not everything is perfect. So let's use the makeup remover. Somehow I knew I was gonna need it, but I didn't even know. You'll see at the end the bloopers and why I needed it. But now let's use the makeup remover and remove any makeup that's, the nail polish remover, and remove all the nail polish that is on that finger. Try to be gentle enough not to rip the nail more, because that's no bueno. There we go. This is the longest my fingernails have ever been, and probably the longest they will ever be. But I figured since they're long, and since this one's broken, I'd do a hack, so that's what we're doing. And I'm going to get it right now, or I'm not uploading this video. So let's try putting a clear coat on first, this time. Yeah. Okay, so there's that. Let's put that over there. And let's take a piece of this. Okay, now let's put this on it best we can. Okay, and now let's take the clear coat and cover it up again. Because, you know, why not? It might help it stick better, so that's good. And not everything is perfect, so if it doesn't turn out perfect, not everything is perfect. Don't get all bummed out about mistakes, because that's what makes us human, you know? Sorry, I just got, like, all emotional right now. Okay, you put on any nail polish you want. Okay, now I gotta wait for that to dry. Now, the hardest part for me is to cut it. So, let's try to do this. Now, we can file it down, because of course it looks choppy, because you just chopped it. I don't know why I found that funny. You can file almost anything, really. And it just so happens you can file dryer sheets. It's not easy, but you can do it. Which makes life a bit easier. Okay, never mind, you gotta clip this part. And then you file it. There we go. So, if you made a little mistake like I did and ripped a piece of the paint in a couple of areas, you can fix that. But so far, can you even notice where it clipped? No, because it's covered pretty well. So, let's paint over that, and then we should be golden. It's always this side of the thumb that I always get wrong. So like on the left-hand side, it would be the right side of the thumb. On the right-hand side, it would be the left side of the thumb. I don't know how you guys can see it. I'm pretty sure it's the same as what I just said, but you know, I'm not 100% sure. There we go. And clear. Let's do it a little bit. I will do another cover and then I'll be good. You got it. Okay, and for the final step, you're going to do another layer of clear coat. Sorry, I got a text message. Not that you guys will hear it anyway, because I'm going to be doing a voiceover over top of this. And there it is again. Hope that doesn't annoy editing me, I know. Bobby likes to double text because he doesn't care. So yeah, after this dries, that'll be it. So after this dries, that'll be it. So I've got to say, this is probably my best for a first try. It's definitely not clean. Like, it's all choppy, but it'll look good when all the other ones are all painted as well. So yeah, it did cover up pretty well, so that's good. But yeah, try to size it more to your exact finger size, and just turn off the excess and file it down. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is Minimymo, signing off. Bye! Look, everybody, it's cacti in Canada. Shiznit, I'm getting it all over my skin. Now you cut off the excess. You can keep adding layers if you want, but I think it looks fine like this. So we figured out not everything is perfect. Nail polish, stop it.